Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're looking at prepositions again. Question: do you sit on a sofa or do you sit in a sofa? Do you get on a bus or in a bus? Let me explain. If there is space around you, you use on. If you're enclosed a little bit, you use in. For example, you sit on a sofa because the edges of the sofa are over there and there. You sit in an armchair because the sides are next to you. You sit in a car. It's enclosed. You sit on a bus. You get on a plane. You get on a train because there's space. You have to walk and there's space around you. So, English grammar, easy peasy. Have a good day. Ta-ta.